4, 3, 2, 1.
Cause you never know how your day's gonna go in Bulawayo. Salve Bonani. I'm PK.
And I'm Nay, and together we're PK and Nay.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, welcome back.
Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, we're on a road to 1,000, so please hit that subscribe button. We really need your support. Thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button.
Yes, ma'am.
On today's vlog, we're just leaving Barrow Street swimming pool. If you haven't seen that episode yet, it's the one right before this. Please make sure that you watch it. But for today, we are on the path right next to Barrow Street swimming pool, and we're headed to Centenary Park. Come along and join us as we experience the park for the first time in a very, very long time. So it's a pathway back here, and if you take that, you come out on the street and you walk up, and then the Centenary Park is over there. Huh? Where? Going to school at Bass? Yeah. Oh. So which tree was your tree? Uh-huh. The ones behind the scenes, huh?
A hedge over this thing. There's a little pathway. Close to the end, you know, how they have it. As soon as you get to the end, let go.
Oh, okay. Because I don't know you. Oh, okay. That's. So we're still out here in this rich cupcaking, huh? Okay. Well. Some things will never change.
It's to be romantic.
Oh, so
Through here, it was a romantic stroll. Just from here to there.
to the edge.
Yeah, and then you're done.
So I need to bring a lawnmower and just cut in a weed whacker.
So who takes care of the park? The city council.
So ask them to mow. I see. This is the pathway right there. Like under there.
You can
Just
see the bridesmaids walk through,
and the pictures.
and the groomsmen come behind.
Here's the fountain.
City council is supposed to take care of this place. But shoot.
How about that?
Well, they like this area because they even planted flowers. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
So would somebody say something if I, with my own money, and my own tools, and my own gas, petrol, everything I need, if I came here and I just started...
Oh my God. Oh, that's a nice view. It's got the water, but no fountain. Taking us way back.
You getting 360 vibes?
Yeah. And then everybody would rush here to come after the wedding. Is this the only place that has palm trees?
shapes are sweet.
Very.
My thighs.
And they're all like different angles and heights.
Oh, we can come here and go on a little date.
African woodpecker. Oh, you're. Oh yeah, check out this tree, bro.
It's beautiful.
Wow. That's a vibe. Oh. Couples are doing couples things over there. We got legs open wide. Back.
Can you see the railway line here? There's that little train.
I remember this. Oh my God.
There's a railway line? Okay, we're just gonna have to go closer. What? I don't remember any of this. I guess it was a train that went over here. People play golf over there. Don't remember that. Or putt-putt, as they say. There's a little bridge. I think the bridge is not a functioning bridge. Sunset vibes. And go down. Sunset vibes. Come on, sun-kissed.
Oh, you see, that's a great shot.
Mm-hmm. Sun-kissed in Africa. Yeah. Sun-kissed.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm
Yeah. So you definitely get like stills from that. Guys, I got an Excalibur. I don't know what that one is called.
Oh, okay.
It was a little train. It was just these little cuts, you know.
Yeah. I remember feeling nervous to cross this bridge when the train would come.
Yes. And there's a pond somewhere that's like, ooh, that it would pass. And there's a little tuck shop here.
Oh, I remember playing back there.
Okay, now I remember that yellow thing. I remember playing on that yellow thing.
Okay, there you go.
Yes, because these things have been here ever since. And then there's the shoe slide. Can you see the shoe slide? You can come this side.
The shoe slide.
That was
Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We need you. We're on this road to 1,000 and we're trying to do that this season. So hit that subscribe button.
All right, guys, I'm PK.
And I'm Nay.
And together we're PKNA.
Siyabonga.
Ooh, I can't wait for the next episode. Stay tuned for part 2 as we continue the nostalgia tour around Centenary Park. The memories just keep coming back as we're walking around this place where we used to play as kids. So stay tuned for part 2. We'll see you then.